Look at me. Hello. 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 Come to me. Come to me, Babu. Hello. Look at me. What is your name? What is your name? Kritita. Oh, Kritita. Kritita, look at me. Don't go there. Hello, 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 hello. Don't go there. There is danger. Come, 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 come. Don't go. Come. Come forward. Please come. Come. Come here. That is tamarind, no? In Bengali, it's called tetul, tetul. In Chakma, we call thedoi, thedoi. Understood? Okay, come here, come here. No need to go there. Come, come. Hello, hello, boy. Come, come here, come here, come, 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 come. Let's see the beauty of the world. Come. Let's see the beauty of the world. Come, come. Your clothes is hanging there, no? That is your clothes, no? Come here. No, don't go there. There is rakes. Don't go there. Okay. It's okay. No. You are not allowed to go there. Hello. How are you? What is your name? What is your name? Baby. Don't go there. I am forbidding you not to go there. Come here. No need to see that one. Come here. What are you biting now? Potato, no? That is potato. Boy, please don't go there. We will go together at down. Okay, no need to go now. Come here. Don't go. Hello. I'm forbidding my son not to go, but he will go. Okay, if you want to come, okay. Get down. Come. My son is not agree to go on roof, but now he is getting down. Okay, come. He is taking potato chips, no? Potato crackers. Okay. Come. Good boy. Okay. Clever boy. Go. Okay, come. Slow by slow. Come slowly. I don't know. I don't understand your words. Come. You can't say fluently your Chakma language. That's why I don't understand your words. Come. Okay. His mother is at down. So he is wishing to go there, no? Okay, now he left that fruits. Now he is taking. Okay, he is very happy to come in our office, no? Because there is a huge space in our office. Okay, boy. Hello. I am forbidding you not to go there. You come here. He is looking for his mother, no? Before while we left his mother, and his mother is very busy because tomorrow we have a program. That's why his mother is cooking for us, making food for tomorrow. His mother is preparing vegetables, food for us. We will go together down, no? Come here. Don't go there. Come. There is coming from outside some noise, and he is very keen to go there. Wow, the boy is very expert by walking. Very expert. Last time when the boy came in the Rangamati district, in our office, at that time he was not expert in walking, but now he can walk. He can walk very well. Okay, no need to go there, Bo. No, this is you are not allowed to come beside the rope because there is risk. Okay, don't go, baby, don't go. Okay. I'm going to stop now. Bye bye.